smiling is the most powerful thing that you can do. It connects people like nothing else.
Share your best stories.
So the question is, how can you be authentic on camera?
I just have to be myself, and I have to be confident, and I have to be comfortable. And when I started speaking like that in video, the trust factors increased dramatically. And as a result, the engagement, more comments, more likes, more engagements. I had to do a lot of takes, and I had to do a lot of recording, do plenty of practicing, maybe even practice in front of a mirror. It's okay to just hit record on your phone. But finally, I started to realize that the more comfortable and the more casual I was, the more people would kind of connect to me. I saw better engagement. So
A lot of people in the business world think that everything has to be corporate and contrived and produced and perfect. The reality is that we're all people, we're all humans. We make mistakes and we're real. Think about that.
Video is one of the best channels that you can use to build that trust, to build that relationship, to share these stories, to be able to connect with people and build a personal connection.
Smile and feel comfortable. People, smiling is the most powerful thing that you can do. Have fun and don't try too hard, and people, you'll see what the results are once you do that.
Just be yourself.